Ta-da! So for right now, it's set at 2,000 watts. Is what the power level is going to be. Yeah, obviously it can go up to a lot higher, and with more field weakening and whatnot. But I would have to upgrade the battery. So for right now, it's only set at 2,000 watts because according to the battery, my battery specs itself. So Mr. HighVoltage Greg, I would like to give shout out to John Capcott-Swallop for hooking me up with Greg and them two actually, going in on this type of stuff. So this was originally a C/C kit, and he redid the harness for me, and as well as the phase wires and stuff, and reprogrammed the controller and everything. So also he put a Bafang speed sensor on here instead of the old CYC because it wasn't working. So we got brake cutoffs, we got the 4-to-1, we got the main, we got the throttle, we got an external temp sensor, we got connectors for the phase, and an extra one apparently. We got the phase extender, we have the display, we have the program, and we have the programming wire, which is really long. I like to see that so you can sit with your computer and program it instead of having it jammed next to the bike. The magnets and stuff that you need for the brake cutoffs and whatnot. I think I sent these in or whatnot, so I sent them back. But we're gonna get this all installed and see how it goes. I'm not gonna do any tuning or anything on it. The only thing I may have to actually adjust is on the display is the actual wheel size. But other than that, we're gonna put it on this bike here. This one's still being upgraded. It's gonna get a 29er front and a fat tire rear eventually. But we're gonna put it on this. It's just a 7-speed. Obviously gonna have to extend the throttle and brake wires a little bit because that's really long handlebars, but not to worry. That's just extending the wires. We're not actually like changing really anything. But we're gonna get down to this bbshd, and we're gonna see what it does. I've ridden this thing out of this in the stock configuration before, so I know what the power difference is gonna be and everything, and I'm excited. Thank you, HighVoltage crew, John and Cap. Big thanks. Sorry, Greg and John. So used to calling you Cap. Anyway, we're gonna get this on. And then we'll do some testing.